What's the meaning of bafflement? Bafflement. Bafflement.
Bafflement. Bafflement. Bafflement refers to a state of confusion or bewilderment caused by something that is difficult to understand or explain. It is a feeling of being perplexed and uncertain about how to proceed or what to do next. Bafflement can be caused by any number of things, including complex problems, unexpected events, conflicting information, or unclear instructions. When people are baffled, they often feel frustrated, disoriented, and powerless. They may struggle to make sense of the situation and look for guidance from others. To overcome bafflement, it is often necessary to take a step back, gather more information, and approach the problem from a fresh perspective.